we're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how I curl my short hair. I had a request on one of my videos on can I do a tutorial on how I curl my hair, and that's when I had like somewhat medium hair because I just cut my hair recently, but I'm still going to show you guys how I curl my hair with the same thing, same technique, even though I just have shorter hair. So as you can tell, my hair is short and I love it, and I have layers, but that is not going to stop us from curling. So what I use to curl my hair is this bad boy right here. It's currently on, so I don't want to like touch it and burn myself. This is a Conair, I believe, 1-inch curling wand. I don't know the actual name of this. It's a model CD431. I don't know if that'll help you, but I'll try to link it down below. I believe I got this at Walmart, or maybe it was Target. I think it was Walmart though. And I believe it was pretty affordable, 20 bucks or so. And this is what I use to curl my hair. I love the like iridescent, colorful wand, but I don't use a clamp, I use a wand. That's how you get beachy, loose waves. So that is what I'm going to be showing you today. So you have settings that you can like turn the knob. It used to have numbers, but mine is so worn off that like I don't even know the number. But I keep it on, I think I think it's on the highest. And I believe the highest is like 30, 25. I'm not really sure, but I keep it on the highest. That is just my preference. First, I'm going to section my hair off, my little hair, into 2 sections, like so. So I got this new background, and it's just fabric, and it's pink, but you can't really tell on camera because like the lighting is so bad, and I need to upgrade my lighting. Like you guys know, I'm not in my filming room, so I kind of have to work around that, so I'm so sorry about the lighting. So I'm going to section my hair off again with a clip, and just get like the bottom section. Clip it up, and yeah. So now all I'm going to do is take sections of hair, and all I do is wrap it around my wand, and I leave the ends out just like that, and I hold it for about 5-10 seconds, let it out, and there's my baby curl. It looks better in the end. Right now you can't really tell because my hair is really short. So I just leave the ends out, and there you go. Nice, loose, wavy curl. I try to use big sections of hair. That way it's more loose. But if you don't want it loose, you can always do smaller sections of hair, and that'll make it more of a tighter curl. Short hair is so fun. It's so easy to just do stuff to it. I literally am so in love. Except I have a lot of layers, so it's a lot to work with.
R-I-E-N-D-S, that's how you spell friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, get that inside your head. No, no, yeah,
So now my hair is all done. Well, this side is done, and that is what the curls look like. Super wavy and just like natural. Kind of like looks like I just like went to the beach. So now let's do the other side. And I just like to put this in a little ponytail, not too tight. That way it's just like out of the way. And I always curl away from my face.
I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000
And that is how I curl my short hair. This is how I would curl my long hair as well. It's just super simple and really wavy and beachy, and I literally just love the way that it looks. I just love the beachy vibe to it. And I kind of just like always play with it a little bit and like brush it out, and that way it becomes a little bit more loose and messy. And this curling wand is literally the best. I really recommend purchasing this. This is such an affordable option compared to a lot of the ones like at Ulta and stuff, and it literally gets the job done, and it's really pretty. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on my socials, you know the drill, and I'll see you guys in my next video.